Hello. Today, we're talking about Harbin Clinic Patient Portal and how patients use the system to access healthcare information online. The portal helps users manage appointments, medical records, and account services from one place. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more healthcare and portal-related updates. Patients use the Harbin Clinic Patient Portal to review medical information, check appointment details, and access healthcare-related services through an online account. Many users also manage prescription and view account notifications directly through the portal dashboard. Another important detail is the login process. Patients sign in to Harbin Clinic Patient Portal using their registered username and password. If someone doesn't have access, registration is required before using the portal. Thanks for watching this video about Harbin Clinic Patient Portal. If you want more videos about healthcare systems, patient accounts, and online portals, make sure you subscribe for future updates.